September 16 is being celebrated in Nigeria annually to remember the day the British colonialists handed over the national symbols to the then Prime Minister Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa. Since the official declaration of the day, the National Orientation Agency NOA, in collaboration with stakeholders, have been at the forefront of a sensitization campaign on the need for every Nigerian to understand and uphold the dignity of the country's symbols. The Zamfara State Director of NOA, Ibrahim, said the agency uses the occasion of the 2025 to enlighten and remind citizens that the national flag, coat of arms, national anthem, pledge, constitution, as well as other emblems of sovereignty represent the unity, dignity, and the identity of Nigeria. Aminu, who featured in a weekly live program, conveyed the message of the Director General of NOA, Larry Issa Unilu, and stressed that giving proper recognition of these symbols is both civic duty and a mark of patriotism for Nigerians. He maintained that respect for the national symbols is respect for Nigeria itself. In Gusau, Umar Adamu Dinawa, NTA News.